pushed me a little ways. I wouldn't do it. That wouldn't be fun to go down.
Yeah, it was already pushing pretty hard to the right there, and I can't go any further to the left. It's a pretty good hill.
What's the matter?
What's the matter? What do you mean? You worried about going across that? Straight, yeah. Sarah, can you get out and I'll go forward?
So, yeah, but do we really want to put your life in danger too?
I'll just try and crawl a little bit.
Everybody's gonna.
You're that motherfucker.
You guys have your cell phones?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know. It could slide.
Just go slow.
I agree with him. Yeah.
Come on. It feels really bad.
It's a little slick.
It feels bad.
You're almost past the worst part.
I'm telling you. I don't think I should go forward.
Okay.
I don't know. You think I can go forward?
Almost past the whole bad part.
Dad.
You're committed now. Yeah, you're.
Dad! Come on! Come on! I mean, get the fuck off the side. It's fucking bad. Dude, enough. I mean, is everybody watching this? This is okay?
You're almost there. Hey, it looks tippy.
No shit, Derek. Dude, I'm gonna die if I fall down there.
You should go that way more.
I can't.
Yeah, you can. Yes, you can. Go to the left as much as you can. Left.
Seriously, you're good.
Go left.
I got you. I don't feel that you got me. Huh?
You're already through it. There you go. See?
Woo! Fuck that! Fuck that! That was pretty scary.